Imagine instead of looking up at night and seeing stars, you could see the beautiful northern lights. No matter how many times you look at it, it never gets old. Instead of stars in the sky, you see the rapidly moving molecules, creating all kinds of beautiful and mesmerizing scenery. No matter how many times you watch, you will never be bored. The lights are constantly changing and moving, creating a new and exciting experience every time.
The scientific name for the northern lights is Aurora Borealis. They form from charged oxygen or nitrogen molecules from 60 to 200 miles above the Earth's surface. The lights are usually visible in an irregularly shaped oval shape surrounding the poles of the northern and southern hemispheres. They can also show up in other areas that are not subject to light pollution.
The northern lights are caused by collisions between fast-moving electrons from space and the oxygen and nitrogen gas in our atmosphere. These electrons originate from the magnetosphere, the region of space controlled by Earth's magnetic field. As they rain into the atmosphere, the electrons impart energy to oxygen and nitrogen molecules, making them excited. When the molecules return to their normal state, they release photons, small bursts of energy, in the form of light.
When the oxygen molecules collide, it produces a yellowish green, but when nitrogen collides, it produces a purplish red. Norway, Sweden, Iceland, Canada, Greenland, Scotland, Russia, and Denmark are the best places to see these lights. In northern latitudes, the effect is known as the Aurora Borealis, named after the Roman goddess of dawn, Aurora, and the Greek name for the northern wind, Borealis, by Pierre Gassendi in 1621. Alaskan Inuit tribes believe that the auroras were the spirits of the animals they had hunted.
Auroras have also been observed on the gas giants, which consist of Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus, as well as on Mars. The lights appear in the night sky to be either still or sometimes dancing, forming columns in different shapes. This is because when the sun is very active, more of the particles enter the atmosphere from the Earth because of a strong solar wind. This results in the dancing patterns of the lights. However, if the sun is less active, the lights will appear to be still in the night sky.
Major solar storms can cause power outages, such as the 1989 blackout in Quebec. In March of 1989, an explosion of the sun was so powerful, it was like thousands of nuclear bombs exploding at the same time. Because of these innocent-seeming lights, Quebec lost power for 12 hours.